record you because one of us has a statement to make regarding the issues that are going on regarding the by-elections that we are intending to do both in Kiambaa and Muguga, and we allow one of the candidates, Damaris Wambui Ganjo, who has been a candidate in Kiambaa, to make a statement, and then we will proceed from there.
Without mercy.
Mercy nazo.
You want to confirm?
Mzuri sana gavana.
Twina gavana haha na Mubi ni mure kurathire ira. Jubilee nera nominated candidate Oge from the interview other than Damaris, na thini wa kihinda kiu gia gukorwo disappointed na marakara, na noi marakara rimwe ni matuma mundu akirie ni auga thini wa Kiambaa. Asantini sana.
Thank you.
It's very painful to imagine, after we've worked so hard to build that party, to talk to everybody in that party, to try and convince people about the party, they can actually chase us out. They've chased us out like dogs. That is what they've done. It is very unfortunate. I have said everybody here loves the president, but he has given his party to the dogs. They are going to run it down. Juja was an example. Kiambaa will be the real thing.
Ile institution ambayo imechaguliwa na tuliona venye walifanya kazi kule Juja. Walisimama na haki without fear or intimidation. Kile tuna imani nao pia watatumia the same model huku kwetu Kiambaa, wasimame na haki, wapatie all the candidates nafasi, wajiuze, wajitembeze, wapewe nafasi ya kufanya campaign zao kwa amani, na ikifika siku hiyo wafanye kulingana na sheria za taifa letu ambazo zinavyosema uchaguzi unavyofaa kuendelea. Chama chetu you are welcome in our party.
Dear followers, I have been chased out at the 11th hour. I have no place to go. I cannot come and vie and ask to represent you because the timelines have been closed. I want to seek you and urge each one of you. The future is today. We are the future. And we have to sit down with people who understand our ideas. We have to negotiate with people who understand what we are saying. We are the youth. We are the future. We have the ideas. But how can I go and tell my grandfather about my idea? He will not understand. We're in the 21st century. I can come to Mheshimiwa Wanjiku. He will understand me. He will understand what I'm trying to do. But I can't go to some people who have no ideas, have no plans, have no agendas, and explain to them what I want to do. I am not going to vie for Member of Parliament for Kiambaa, but I will support my brother here. My future is very bright. I'm very young.
probably know, I have served Jubilee Party with great dedication since its inception. Indeed, I started volunteering in TNA in the year 2013 through to 2017 in Jubilee Party. I have continued to support Jubilee Party in various initiatives, including Kahawa Wendani, which I was sent there, and I ensured that we got the seat. In Juja, where I was sent by the party to deliver the nomination, which was a success. Besides that, I have also supported the government in civic education and campaign for the Building Bridges initiative. To date, I have served the party diligently and without any doubt. I have therefore been a loyal and adherent supporter of this party. It was out of loyalty and desire to serve our people in a better capacity and with passion after the passing on of the late Mheshimiwa Paul Koinange. I then decided to run for the vacant office to represent and offer my services to the people of Kiambaa. I have run my campaigns on Jubilee platform for the past 2 months, close to 2 months, hoping to be nominated by the people of Kiambaa as a Jubilee flag bearer. As you're aware, the party decided to run its nominations by way of interview that were held yesterday, in which I participated. Unfortunately, the position was not given to me. As you all know, it was out of this disappointment, anguish, and bad feelings that I found myself making the announcement that I made last night, prompting that I have moved from Jubilee Party. However, and after a lot of soul searching, advice from my supporters in Kiambaa, immediate family members, and political mentors, that I have decided to withdraw my yesternight's remarks and that I will remain in Jubilee Party and continue to support the President's ideas and ensure that the party is a success in the upcoming by-elections in Kiambaa and Mogoga ward and sub-county. God bless Kiambaa.